everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a new Rihanna's new music video, Sledgehammer. This look is so amazing. I really love her look, especially the outfits and the hair. Kasi parang first time ko lang makita si Rihanna sa music video na litaw na litaw ang kanyang forehead. So, parehas kami. Para kami may airport sa ano. So anyways, if you want to learn how to create this look, so definitely keep on watching. So first, I'm going to prime my face. I'm using my all matte invisible pore primer. This one is from Cosmetiks. Lagi ko siyang ginagamit. So I think perfect siya sa mga oily skin types out there. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking forehead, sa cheeks area, nose, and sa aking chin. Then, don't forget to blend it out using your finger. So, next, I'm going to use a dark foundation. I'm using my BYS complete coverage foundation. This is in the shade Natural Tan. Brush, I'm using my all-time favorite brushes from the A-List. This is a flat top foundation brush, I guess. Ang cute, diba? Transparent ang lola mo. Okay, so lalagyan natin siya sa ating face. Concealer, I'm going to use this Enhance Concealer Kit. So this is what the concealer looks like. Yeah, so I think this one is perfect for my under eye area. So, kukunin natin. I'm going to blend all the concealer using the A-List flat foundation brush. So, nilagay ko na ng concealer yung aking eyebrows to cover. I'm using again my Enhance eyeshadow, concealer palette. So, ito yung kinuha ko, yung parang pinaka-dark shades. And I'm using the A-List concealer or buffing brush. Then to set the concealer, I'm using my Airspun loose powder. Then I will set everything else. I'm using my Bobbi Brown loose powder. This is the light to medium. And don't forget your powder puff. It's time for contouring. I'm using my Enhanced Cosmetiks contour palette. I'm going to get this, yung pinaka-darker shades. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm using again this color kasi I think perfect siya din sa eyeshadow na suot ni Rihanna doon. And then I'm using the A-List blending brush. Then, gagawin tayo ng nose line. Ida-drag nyo lang yung eyeshadow dun pababa. Yung nose bridge. Then, for the eyeshadow, I'm using this one. Kasi ito yung pinaka-white matte. lips dito sa palette na to. So, I'm going to get this one, yung pinaka-white. Siyempre, huwag niyo kakalimutan maglagay ng eyeshadow sa inyong lower lid. Kita ng highlight, I'm using this banana color. Itong parang medyo may pagka-yellow-ish. Then, again, the A-list brush. Okay, so maglalagay na tayo ng symbol dito sa ating forehead. I'm using my Enhanced Cosmetiks Gel Liner in the number 01. I'm using the A-list liner brush. Then, for my top lips, I'm going to use this Kiss Proof Powdered Matte Soft Lipstick. This is in the number 005. This one is from Flip.ph. So for my lower lips, I'm using again my gel liner from Enhanced Cosmetiks kasi wala akong dark lipstick or black lipstick. So ilalagay natin siya sa ating lower lips. Again, I'm going to add some 3 parang pana dito. Arrow pababa. Don't forget your lashes. Curl your lashes. A few coats of mascara. I'm using my 300% lengthening lashes from Sparkle. So add some white eyeliner to your waterline. This is the final look. I hope you all guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sandy Proud. Like us, my public page on Facebook, Beauty by Sandy Proud. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at all Sandy Proud. At mga link na nakalista sa aking description box down below. Please don't forget to check out Enhanced Cosmetiks kasi yun yung aking gamit ngayon sa pag-achieve ng look na ito. I hope you guys enjoy this and see you guys on my next video. Bye everyone!